Today we are going to solve this tricky question of IIT JAM MS question 17. We are given a random vector xy having the joint probability density function as fxy equal alpha mod x, where the range of x is very important here. Range of x is from -1 to 1, and range of y, which is a dependent range on x, is from x squared to x squared. Alpha is a positive constant. We need to calculate this probability. Probability is greater than y. So let us look at the solution. At first, we need to determine the constant alpha. For that, we integrate the PDF and equate it with 1. So the range of x is from -1 to 1, and range of y was from x squared to 2xy. If xy divided dx is equal to 1, which turns out to be alpha integration of -1 to 1 mod x into x squared dx equals to 1. Now this is a even function we can see. So it turns out to be 2 alpha integration 0 to 1 x cubed dx, which is equal to 1. Hence we get alpha is equal to 2. So a positive constant alpha turns out to be 2. Now we note that the probability y is greater than x is equal to 2 because of the constant alpha into integral 0 to half and x squared to 2x squared mod x dy dx plus half to 1 and x squared to x mod x dy dx. The reason for breaking the interval of integration is that we know that our range of x is from -1 to 1. So our range of y will be from 0 to 2. Also, we know that x square is less than equal to y and y is less than equal to 2x square. So we can say that 2x square is less than equal to 2 from this relation, and also we have y is less than x, the probability that we want to calculate. So we can say that maximum of 0 comma x square is less than equal to y, which is less than equal to minimum of 2x square comma x, because y is less than x and y is less than 2x square. So y will be less than minimum of 2x square and x. Again, y is greater than equal to x square and y is greater than equal to 0. So y will be greater than equals to maximum of 0 comma x square. So if we break the interval of x as from 0 to half, we get x square will be less than equal to y and y will be less than equal to x square. Similarly, if we break the interval of x from half to 1, we will get x square is less than equal to y, which is will be less than equal to x. This whole thing was for when x lies in the range 0 to 1. But for x in the range less than 0 and greater than -1, we are having x square less than equal to y less than equal to x, which is an impossible case. Hence, we will not consider this case that -1 less than x less than equal to 0. So we'll only consider that x lies between 0 to 1. That was the reason of breaking the whole probability and integral into two parts. Now just we'll need to calculate the probability y less than x, which is equal to 2, 0 to half x cubed dx plus half to 1 x into x minus x squared dx, which on doing the necessary calculations turns out to be 28 by 192, which is 7 by 48. Hence option B is correct in this case. The main catch of the problem was to determine and manipulate all these ranges of x and y, and to note that when x lies in the range -1 to 0, an impossible situation arises. Hence we should ignore this case. So for this question, our answer turns out to be option B, 7 by 48.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT JAM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MSc Data Science. Number three, we give our absolute best to help you design your career by organizing workshops and certified data science courses. To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IIT MS, ISIM STAT and CMI MS Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.
Today we are going to solve this very easy problem of IIT JAM MS 2023 question 44. It is a NAT type question. So we will get a single answer which we will round off to two decimal places. So we are given a random sample of random variables x1, x2, xn, which on my normal zero sigma square distribution where sigma greater than 0 is our unknown parameter. Now we have defined another random variable y, which is equal to c by 10 summation I running from 1 to 10 mod of xi, where c is a constant, real constant, to and y to be an unbiased estimator of sigma. We have assumed that. Then the value of c such that y becomes an unbiased estimator of sigma, we need to calculate the value of c. Let us proceed to the solution part. So we are given that x1, x2, xn follow IID normal 0 sigma square distribution, sigma is unknown. Then we know that the mean deviation about mean, here mean is 0, so is expectation of mod of x, which is equal to root over of 2 pi into sigma. Now interchanging the sides, we get root over of pi by 2 into expectation of mod sigma is mod x is equal to sigma. So after doing a bit of calculation, we can see that root pi by 2 into 1 by 10 into expectation of mod of xi is sigma. That is, we can say that the random variable y, which is defined by c by 10 into summation I running from 1 to 10 mod of xi, where c is this constant pi by root pi by 2 is an unbiased estimator of sigma. This is a very standard result about mean deviation, about mean. So root pi by 2, which turns out to be 1.25. So our we are constant c is 1.25. So it was a very easy and straight-cut problem of NAT type questions of IIT JAM MS. So our answer here will be 1.25. So I hope you like the problem. Please do like, share the channel for further interesting videos.